पिलामाने अपेक्षार अंत घटी मु तुम केमिस्ट्री सिलेक्शन नहीं आसी इंपोर्टाट सर्ट क्वेश्चंस जोटा कि तुम आनुआल हायर सेकेंडरी एग्जामिनेशन 2022 सियोर ये क्वेश्चन आसो। तो वीडियोटी को लास्ट पर्यंत देखा तुम अनुरोध करुँच लास्ट जापर क्यों क्यों गुड़िक इंपोर्टाट सर्ट क्वेश्चन जोटा कि सियोर एथर परीक्षा आसो। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट NaCl which is evolved or liberated at cathode and anode. Question number 2 Faraday's laws formula numericals. Question number 3 effect of conductance on dilution. Question number 4 calculation of EMF जहाँ को हमें कहे इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सीरीज इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल. Question number 5 7 crystal systems length and angles of all 7. Question number 6 number of atom per unit cell in SCC BCC FCC. Question number 7 relationship between radius and unit length of SCC BCC and FCC and numerical. Question number 8 calculation of density. Question number 9 N type and P type semiconductor F centers doping of atom in N and P type semiconductor. Question number 10 effect of temperature in conductor and semiconductor. Question number 11 unit of rate constant of a zero first second order reaction. Question number 12 zero order reaction तारा definition और examples. Question number 13 factors affecting rate of reaction. Question number 14 numerical question based on first order and half life of a reaction. half life period ऊपर मध्य क्वेश्चन आसे फर्स्ट ऑर्डर तुम जो अच्छी फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन तार न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन बहुत आसे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 activation energy and threshold energy. Question number 16 numericals in calculation of normality molarity and molality. COR इतु क्वेश्चन आसीबो. Question number 17 effect of temperature in solubility of solid in liquid. Question number 18 why most of the transition metals are colored. Question number 19 electronic configuration and oxidation state of F block element. Question number 20 magnetic and colored property. Question number 21 nomenclature तुमरा आसीबो विभिन्न प्रकार nomenclature. Question number 22 chelating and ambidented ligand. Question number 23 isomerism. 24 application of VBT. VBT तुम माने जानिछ valence bond theory and तार magnetic property टा बहुत important. Question number 25 distinction between lyophilic and lyophobic solution. Question number 26 effect of temperature on adsorption. Question number 27 Tyndall effect Brownian movement electrophoresis. Question number 28 dissolution saturated solution and crystallization. Question number 29 effect of temperature in solubility of gas in liquid. Question number 30 why aquatic animals are more comfortable in cold water. 31 reason for elevation and depression point. 32 Van 't Hoff's factors degree of association and dissociation. 33 trends in property of ionization energy electron affinity thermal stability. Question number 34 principle of extraction gravity separation magnetic separation froth flotation. टिके स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक पिला माने हेची froth flotation. Question number 35 ores name for all. Question number 36 types of iron. Question number 37 flux gang slag. Question number 38 what are addition and condensation polymer. Question number 39 write notes on analgesic antiseptic tranquilizer anti-fertility drugs. Question number 40 what happens when sulfur dioxide gas is passed through lime water first slowly and then excess. Question number 41 what are interhalogen compound explain with example. Question number 42 what are bidentate ligand give an example. Question number 43 explain why HCl is gas and HF is a liquid at room temperature. Question number 44 IUPAC naming of coordination compound. Question number 45 explain why transition metal ions are usually colored. बहुत तरह क्वेश्चन आसी आगुरी लास्ट 10 ईयर क्वेश्चन एनालिसिस करी पिला माने तो मैं क्वेश्चन तैयारी करिछि तो सियोर एथु क्वेश्चन आसीबो गारंटेड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 46 EAN rule of coordination compound. Question number 47. Why HF cannot store in glass bottle? Question number 48. Why hydrogen sulfide cannot be dried by concentrated H2SO? Question number 49. SF6 exists while OF6 does not. Explain. Question number 50. Why neon is used in beacon light? Question number 51. Explain why CIF3 exists whereas FeCl3 does not. Question number 52. What is aquaresia? What is its use? 53. What happens when PBS is treated with ozone? 54. How does sulfuric acid react with sodium bromide? HF is less volatile than HCl. Why is it so? 56. Why H2SO4 is called king of the chemical? Very important question. Question number 57. How does hydrofluoric acid reacts with sand? 58. What happens when zinc metal is treated with dilute H2SO4? 59. Explain why the bleaching action of SO2 is temporary. 60. What is etching of glass? 61. Why nitrogen exists as N2 while phosphorus as P4? 62. What is the reason of paramagnetism in transition metal? 63. Write two important alloys of copper and their uses. 64. Give two examples of alloy steel and their uses. 65. Define double salt. Give an example of each. 66. Why transition metal formed colored compound? 67. Why transition metal form complex compound? 68. Define chelating ligand. 69. Difference between double and complex salt. 70. What is chelate? Give an example. 71. What is crystal field splitting? 72. Difference between crystalline and amorphous solid. 73. Difference between Schottky and Frankel defect. 74. P and N type semiconductor. 75. Why glass is considered as super cold liquid? 76. Define unit cell crystal lattice and lattice point. 77. What are interstitial voids? 78. Discuss the different type of voids. 79. What is osmotic pressure? How can you explain it as a colligative property? 80. What is Van Hoff factor? What are its values if the solute undergoes association and dissociation? 81. Give a comparison between SN1 and SN2 type reaction. 82. How will you convert chlorovenzene to phenol and chlorovenzene to toluene? 83. What is Set-Jep rule? Explain with as an example. 84. How can you prepare phenol by Dawes process? 85. How can you distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol by using Lucas reagent? What is esterification reaction? Question number 86. What happens when acetaldehyde reacts with iodine in the presence of dilute NaOH solution? 87. What happens when formaldehyde reacts with ammonia? 88. Do the conversion acetaldehyde to acetone. Out of the acetone to acetaldehyde. Question number 89. How can you distinguish between formaldehyde and acetaldehyde? Question number 90. Give a chemical test to distinguish between acetaldehyde and acetone. 91. Do the conversion. Conversion to nihati question asibo. Ethylamine to methylamine, methylamine to ethylamine. 92. What happens when methylamine is treated with nitrous acid? 93. What is Buna S? 94. What is neoprene? Give its one use. 95. Write notes on antibiotic. 96. What is Teflon? 97. Difference between soap and detergent. 98. Difference between osmosis and diffusion. 99. Between seawater and river water, which will freeze at low temperature and why? 100. State Collar's law. 101. Define electrochemical series. 102. What do you mean by equivalence conductance at infinite dilution? 103. Derive the relationship between molar conductance and equivalent conductance of an electrolyte. 104. What is temperature coefficient? 105. Explain Tyndall effect. 106. What is adsorption? How does adsorption of a gas on a solid surface vary with temperature and pressure? 107. Difference between hydrophilic and hydrophobic solution. Physical and chemical adsorption. Molecular and macromolecular colloid. Heterogeneous and homogeneous catalysis. Catalysis and enzyme. And 108. State Hardy's-Kluge's rule. Give reason for development of charge on a colloidal particle. 109. What is the cause of Brownian movement and zeta potential? 110. How can you prepare chlorovenzene from benzene? प्राय पिला 111 टा क्वेश्चन अच्छी गोटे मझे 86 डबल हो जाए 111 टा क्वेश्चन रु तुमे मैंने जदि 65टा क्वेश्चन रैंडमली सिलेक्ट करके तुमे जदि एथुर प्रैक्टिस करूछ सियोर तुमे सबुतक शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन अटेंड करके आसीबो। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे पिला माने मु फिजिक्स रो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं के आसुची।